everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Reminder, at Chef Dawg here we review Costco food. We make it and then we eat it at the end and tell you what we think. So stay tuned. This one is a Sunday morning special here at the Chef Dawg house. We love to do pancakes or waffles. Today we're going to do waffles, but they're made the same way. I'm going to show you how we do this. I do it a little different, and we love it. I love it. For my family of 4, I do about 3 cups worth. Now this is important to know. I never use water, ever. In fact, when I see people make waffles or pancakes and they use water, it makes me cringe. You want to use milk. Milk. And all I do, folks, is I just pour it in. I don't measure it. I just pour it in and I just keep stirring it until it gets exactly how I want it to. I think I'm going to need a lot more than that. Another thing I do, and then I crack an egg in it. I do that because I like the fact that it gives it a bunch of protein. Stirring it, still need more milk. And that's up to you kind of how much you want to do, but I want to have this so that when I pull my fork out of here, it drips off the fork. But also what I like to do is I add cinnamon. Again, you can put on as much as you want, but no, that's about how much I put on. And then I do a teeny bit of vanilla extract. Not much, just a little. Let's see. Yep, perfect. What I'll do next now, what I like to do is I turn on the old waffle machine. Let that heat up, and then I check this again because this does thicken, and so I might need to add a little bit more milk to it. All right, my green light turned on, so that means that's ready. Let's check. See how we're looking here. I probably want to add just a little bit more then. That's how my pancakes slash waffles look before I'm ready to put them in. Make sure to spray some cooking oil. That's very, very, very important. Otherwise, when you try to pull it off, it'll stick to it and tear it apart. Now these cook fairly quick. Careful how much you put on because they'll grow on you in there and go oozing out the sides. All right, I'll wait for that green light to kick on, maybe. Sometimes I'll open it up and flip them, we'll see. Now the green light hasn't popped on yet, and I'm checking it and it's looking good. But as you can see, sometimes it cooks out in a, kind of through the middle of it, of each waffle, and not in the dead center here. So for consistency, I like to come in here, whoo, and flip it. I'll come in here and I'll flip them so that way it cooks more evenly. That's just my waffle maker. Maybe yours doesn't do that. There you go. Put it back on. All right, green light kicked on. Oh, perfect. Come here, check this out. Now again, I like mine a little bit toastier. That's perfect for me right there. So there you go. Those, my friends, smell, and they smell good. I can smell the cinnamon. Hey, who's this? It's my taste tester. Butter it. And just skim it across the top like that. And then also, always have to have some whipped cream. That also you can get from Costco. Comes in packs of 3. Are you saying you don't like that? Oh, well that's a shame. I guess I'll have to eat it. Let's try that out. You want to try it with some whipped cream on it?
Fine.
That right there, my friends, that is my homemade waffle recipe. And it's delicious.
Okay.
Let's see if Bracky thinks. I don't have a lot of whipped cream on that. There you go. Yes, no, yeah? Just sideways? Oh no! Not eat. It's not no sideways. This is seriously delicious. But yeah, you can taste that cinnamon in there. And it's just hearty. Better than restaurant. Hey, hope you enjoy watching these. Make sure to thumbs up, share if you can. We're grateful for all of you that enjoy, watching Chef Dawg with us. Oh, she's a double thumbs up now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.